Hello guys, welcome to Personal Tutor. My name is Rashi and we are continuing with our question number 15. So after question number 14, question number 15 says, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5. The number of rupee 2 coins is 3 times rupee 5 coins. The number of rupee 2 coins is 3 times rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So, in this question we are given one relation of rupee 2 coins with rupee 5 coins. So, I hope it's clear that we have to take rupee 5 coins as x. Let rupee 5 coins be x. Rupee 5 coins x है, so rupee 2 coins will be 3x. Why? Because it is given the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. If 5 rupee coins is x, so 3 rupee coins automatically हो गए, sorry 2 rupee coins automatically हो गए 3x. Okay. Now अब relation था हमारे पास रुपी 2 एंड रुपी 5 में. ओके, बट रुपी 1 की तो बात ही नहीं हुई. रुपी 5 थे हमारे पास x, रुपी 2 हो गए 3x. अब नाउ 1 रुपी इज लेफ्ट. 1 रुपी की तो बात हुई नहीं इधर, बट वी आर गिवन टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स एज 160. इफ नंबर ऑफ 5 कॉइन्स x हैं, रुपी 2 कॉइन्स 3x हैं, सो 1 coins will be 160 minus 3x minus x. I hope this is also clear. Why? Because total number of coins 360 है. रुपी 5 coins x है, निकाल दो उसमें से. रुपी 2 coins 3x हैं, उसमें से निकाल दो. तो हमारे पास जो बचे वो रुपी 1 coins ही तो होंगे. So it will be 160 minus 4x. Minus 3x minus x is minus 4x. So रुपी 1 coin will be 160 minus 3x minus x, which is 160 minus 4x. I hope this concept is clear to you. We have rupee 5 coins, rupee 2 coins and rupee 1 coins as well. Now we can say total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination we have? So total rupees भी दे रखे हैं हमें. total इन तीनों के rupees कितने बन रहे हैं? 300. So again we know that we have to multiply by the amount. तो इधर 1 से multiply होगा तो इधर same ही रहेगा. Here it will be 6x. 3 into 2 is 6 and here it will be 5x. Okay. So ये denominations हम लेंगे. So according to question, 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x will be equal to 300. Now this all will be equal to 300 because total amount is 300. Now 5x plus 6x is 11x. 160 minus 4x plus 11x equals to 300. 11x में से 4x गए, 7x बचे. 160 as it is equals to 300. Now 160 is positive here. It will move to the RHS and become negative. 300 minus 160 is nothing but 140. Okay. 7x equals to 140. So the value of x comes out to be 140 upon 7. 7 2s are 14 होता है, so x is 20. Now x is 20. It means that 5 rupee coins हो गए 20. Okay, and 2 rupee coins 3 into 2 3x, so 3 into 20 60. And 1 rupee coin 160 minus 4x. 160 minus 4 into x is 20. So 160 minus 6 80. 160 minus 80 is 80. So it means that rupee 5 coins हैं 20, rupee 2 coins are 60 and rupee 1 coin are 80. Okay, so this was our question number 15. Now let's come to the last question. Question number 16 of exercise 2.2. The last question of this exercise. It says the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize distributed was ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants are 63. So the organizers of a competition decide that the winner of the competition gets a prize of ₹100. Winner को क्या prize मिलेगा? ₹100 का. And participant who does not win and the person who's just participated but does not win will get a prize of ₹25. So the total prize was ₹300. The total prize distribute हुआ था that was ₹3,000. So find the number of winners if the total participants are 63. We know that we have to let x जो हमें निकालना होता है वो हमें x लेना होता है. So let number of winners be x. So number of participants कितने होंगे children? If the number of winners are x and total number of participants were 63, so number of participants who does not win कितने आएंगे? 63 minus x, because total 63 थे, x उसमें से win हो गए, तो जितने बचे that were the participants who does not win. And we are given winner को कितने का प्राइज मिल रहा है? ₹100. So according to question again, 100 into x, winners are getting, जैसे 10 winners हैं तो 10 winners को 100 रुपीज मिल रहे हैं. So into करेंगे plus participants who does not win, मतलब 63 minus x people are getting 25 rupees and the total amount is 3,000 rupees. So this is our equation. I hope it is clear. हमने क्या किया? The total number of winners were x and winners को मिल रहे थे 100 rupees each. So 100 into x plus total number of participants who does not win were 63 minus x and 63 minus x लोगों को मिल रहे थे 25 rupees. So 63 minus x into 25 and equal to total amount था हमारा 3,000. Now 100x plus 25 63s are 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, 3 2s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So 5, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 3 5, 1. So 1575 minus 25x equals to 3000. What we did, पहले 25 को 63 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, then 25 को minus x से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So 1575 minus 25x. Now 100x minus 25 is 75x plus 1575 equals to 3000. अब 1575 पॉजिटिव है तो 75x equals to 3000 minus 1575. ओके, सो 3000 में से 1575 माइनस कर देते हैं. दिस विल बी 10 9 9 2. 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 5 4, 2 minus 1 1. So 1425. 75x equals to 1425. Now x की वैल्यू आ गई 1425 upon 75. So I think these are the multiples of 3. 3 15s are 7. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. 3 25s are 75 and 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Again 3. Sorry, now 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. 5 5 are 25. Again 5 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 45. So value of x comes out to be 19. It means हमें क्या निकालना था, number of winners, and number of winners were x. So it means that the number of winners are 19. Alright. So this was our question number 16, and with this we have completed our exercise 2.2. So stay tuned for exercise 2.3 now, and please practice this whole exercise at least 2 times in order to understand, to observe and to remember the things that are in this exercise. And if you have any doubt, any problem, please mention in our comment section below. Thank you.